Hey traders, it's TeamWithERVING here. Welcome to our Forex trading channel. This week I'm gonna be showing some blowing setup, guys. This is the pairs that I'm gonna give you this week. I'm gonna give you USD JPY. I'm gonna tell you exactly what the market may do this coming week. I'm also gonna give you gold. If you are planning to trade gold, bear with me, guys. I'm gonna be giving you some amazing setup on this particular pair on gold. Also, I'm gonna be giving you Euro USD. If you are already in a buy position, you are banking already. So congratulations if you are in a buy on Euro USD, but I'm gonna explain you with detail exactly what is going on. Because have you ever wondered how the bank make money secretly on the market, guys? If so, stay with me because I'm gonna give you the answer. Another pair that I'm gonna give you guys is GBP JPY. Who in here is planning to trade GBP JPY? Because if you are, guys, I have the answer for you. So, but welcome back, guys. This is, like I said, this is our TeamWithERVING. Welcome to our Forex trading channel. So we are gonna be showing you guys the secret strategy of supply and demand, trading technique, and so forth. So stay with me, guys. Even if you follow one or two or three or all pairs that I'm gonna be giving you, this is the video that you need. So the very first pair that I'm gonna give you today is going to be USD JPY. Boom! Guys, this is the very first thing that everybody needs to pay attention. If you don't want to listen to me, guys, it's fine, but I'm gonna tell you exactly what you need. What you need to do first is always pay attention what your dashboard is telling you. By checking the dashboard, guys, you will have the answer ahead of time. If you pay attention here, the market is already letting us know when the dashboard is in red, it means the market is selling. So basically, we already have a heads up letting us know USD JPY is selling. What do you want to do? If it's selling, you need to be trading with the trend because the trend is your friend. Supply and demand strategy is all about understanding the market dynamic, guys. By analyzing the behaviors of buyers and sellers, you can predict future price movement with our dashboard. Here, this is how you predict it. 4 hours and daily telling us that we are in a sell position. What do we do next? That is the question of the day. What you do next is the following, guys. You need to now go to real data. Actually, before I go there, guys, let me show you how we're gonna be setting up looking for buys and sales. So this is the thing. So what we need to, I'm gonna go to real data, but bear with me. We need to pay attention where is our sniper entry is doing. Our sniper entry here is telling us that we are, when it comes as a TeamWithERVING sell with the steers, it means the market here is selling. When the sniper entry, the TW sniper entry showed up on the other side, it means the market is going on the opposite side. So it's that simple. It's very straightforward. You cannot get confused. If you get confused when the market is selling or you get confused when the market is going by, please let me know, guys. There is a link in the description of this video. I can teach you a 101 for $9.99. You will be sitting behind scene with me. And a quick reminder, guys, I will be on vacation this coming week. That means the next weekly analysis won't be available because I will be traveling. So I will be going to Colombia. So if you are in Colombia, please let me know so we can meet, so we can have some dinner, so we can enjoy some time together, so I can teach you how to use our multiple time frame and so forth. All right, so now that we know what to look, so don't forget, guys, please do not forget that the first thing that you need to put your eyes is on your 4 hours and your daily time frame. Please don't forget that, okay? Because it's very important. The next thing that you need to do now is we're gonna move to real data, real time, because that's what you're here for. You're here only for real data, nothing else. Everyone in this business here is only to look what reality is doing. Now that we know the market is selling, don't look. Once again, let me go ahead and make a put a box in it. Hold on. You know what? Let me use it. I'm testing, guys. I'm also testing a different tools here. So what we need to pay attention, 4 hours and daily. Look at here. Here's a multiple time frame, guys. Multiple time frame is here. Look at the TW sniper entry. Look at here. Look at the stairs, guys. This is commencing. This is brand new, guys. If you are selling USDJPY, you will be making tons of money, because the market here on Friday is already selling. How far is this gonna go? This is me, guys. This is very important for you to know what I'm gonna be doing here. Market here will be coming to your 61.8 Fibonacci. Why that level? Because there's previous touches in here, previous multiple time frame that has been tested in this level here. From there, market will make a small retracement. Don't forget, the market here is selling. We'll make a pullback, and then boom, market will be selling. Another thing that you need to pay attention, if you don't know, pay attention to your RSI. Look at the RSI already selling. Look at the 4 hours and daily time frame on your dashboard. Everything is selling. Everything here is telling us the USDJPY is selling, guys. So now that you know how to do it, guys, please, guys, stay with me. It's very important, guys. Like I said, even if you follow 1 or 2 or 3 or all pairs that I'm gonna give you guys today, stay with me, guys, because you need to know how to make money in this business. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be GBP JPY. Boom. Hey, what is the very first thing that you need to pay attention, guys? What is it? Go ahead, type it in the comment, guys. Type it in the comment and let me know what it is, the very first thing that you need to pay attention on here on the chart. What is it? Perfect. Look at here. You are correctly. We need to be paying attention what the dashboard is telling us. Look at here. 4 hours and daily is giving you the answer. The GBP JPY, it is selling. If it's selling, what do you need to do? You need to go with the trend. It's telling you, hey, I'm selling. Come and make money with me with the trend. The trend is your friend. So that's why we are diving in, guys, on this forex trading strategy using our sniper entry, so you can make money, so you don't ever get fooled by the market. So now that we know what direction we need to be trading, we need to now go to real data, real time, real talk. Look at here. This is a brand new setup on GBP JPY, guys. Look at here. Look at what multiple time frame and the TW sniper entry is doing. Look at here. They're all together in one area, guys. Look at that. Let me go ahead and make a box so you will not get confused. Look at here. Boom. Market here is selling, guys. It's selling. Now, what do we need to do next? Look at here. There's no way you're gonna get confused. Market has potential to drop all the way to your Fibonacci level. That's why you had this green solid line in here. But in my opinion, guys, market is gonna come back and retest your 38.2 Fibonacci. From there, market is gonna make a small retracement to your 23.8 Fibonacci. Why? Because there's previous multiple time frame in here, and boom, market will continue that sell position, and you will make hundreds and what? In hundreds of pips. So let's make money, guys. I'm super excited. Bear with me, guys. When it comes to I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. What? Wait. I didn't hear you. What? I get super excited, guys. So stay with me, guys. Let me know if you guys need anything, or you guys are confused, or if I'm going too fast, please let me know in the comment below. The next part that I'm gonna give you guys, type it in the on the description and let me know. Hey, Irving, yes, the market is doing that. Pay close attention to the dashboard, guys. Just the dashboard will give you the answer. All right, so but I'm gonna give you guys Euro USD. Boom. Close attention to the dashboard. This is a very tricky one. If you get it, you are amazing, guys. You are on the top of the line. If you get what I'm teaching you here, you are in the top of the line. Now, some of you might say, Irving, I don't get it. The 4 hours is green, the red is red. What is going on? That is a good question. That means, guys, the 4 hours and the lower time frame is going against the daily time frame. So that means it's doing a pullback. What kind of traders are you in? Are you like to trade every single movement of the market or not? This is the time where you need to stop, take a break, and come back, because the market right now, guys, is going up. Now look at here. Now we're gonna go to real data, real talk. Look at here. Overall, this is what the market is doing, guys. So that's what I don't want you to ever get fooled. Look at here. Multiple time frame is selling. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom, it's selling. Look at the stairs. Sell, sell, sell. So overall right now, the market, guys, is coming down. What happened on Friday? What happened on Friday? Look at who showed up on Friday, guys. The dashboard give you the answer. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard has a green arrow on 4 hours. So here's your multiple time frame on 4 hours saying the market right now is doing a pullback. So how far is that pullback gonna go? In my opinion, it's gonna retest your previous multiple time frame one more time. From there, market will drop and then make another pullback. But overall, Euro USD is going bullish, guys. Guys, another pair that I'm not gonna give you today is USD 30. USD 30 is selling, guys. If you are trading that pair is selling. Remember one thing, guys, a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose, guys. If you need help, if you want me to teach you how to trade, please join the link below and let me know ahead of time. Or if you want to grab our multiple time frame, you will be getting 40% off. Boom! And you will be making hundreds of pips in the market. All right. Woo! I'm telling you, super excited, super excited. All right, let's go to the next pair. The next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is one of the most tradable pair in the world, and that it is gold. Boom! Look at the dashboard, guys. If you don't get it, I just don't know what the hell to do next. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is giving you the answer. What is it? Type it in the comment, guys. Type it in the comment. Let me know that gold is selling or gold is going up. What is it? It's going buy or is it selling? What is it? What do you think it is? Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is not lying to you, guys. The dashboard has the answer. Look at here. It's green. 4 hours and daily is green. That means the market is going up. Gold is bullish. Gold is bullish. That's it. Let me prove it to you, because that's what you came here. You came here to learn real data. Now we're gonna move to real candle, real talk, real data. Look, guys, look, market was selling for a very, let me shrink the candle a little bit so you can see a little bit back history. Look at the movement, guys. Look at the movement. Market is doing a pullback, but I'm not here to teach you all the, how the system works. I'm just gonna give you a little bit of information. Look at here. Overall, gold be selling for a long freaking time. So right now, what we are seeing here, guys, we are seeing this is gonna be a long-term bullish trend. This is gonna be a pullback. So, but I'm gonna break it down for you guys, because you need to make money this week. You need to make money on July, guys. Guys, a quick reminder: I will be on vacation, so you will not hear from me next week. So stay with me, guys. Pray for me while I'm on vacation. I'm gonna be celebrating my sister 40 years birthday, so super excited for that. And then we're gonna take another vacation probably in mid of August. All right, so now that we know that we are going in a buy position, let me go ahead and break gold, because gold is going to be an explosive pair. Look at here, what it is your multiple time frame doing. Boom! It's telling that we are in a buy position. What is your TWE sniper entry forex trading signal doing? Boom! It's going bullish. What is the stair doing here? Boom! It's going bullish. What is the real trend doing in here? Boom! It's going bullish. Now, this is the question, guys. This is what you need to do next. So let me break it down slowly, because you need step by step. You need to be like, I need to teach you like a baby, how to walk. So in here, this is what I'm expecting to see. Market is gonna go all the way to your 50 Fibonacci level. Why? Because there's previous multiple touches in here, guys. So market is gonna go all the way to your 50. It's gonna make a small retracement, coming back and retest this previous low here, 23.6 Fibonacci, and boom, market will continue on that buy position because the market is going up. Market is going against the sellers. The sellers are in charge. Except this week, we are seeing the market going bullish. Guys, I'm telling you. If you need help, guys, please let me know. There is a link in the description of this video. Join for $9.99. If you want to grab our multiple time frame, there is 40%, guys. Guys, this is what I give you today. I give you gold. I give you a USD JPY. I'm telling you what the market is gonna do this week. But I don't know if you are ready to make money. So USD JPY is selling. What is Euro USD doing? It's going up. What is GBP JPY is doing? It's selling. So it's time to make money, guys. It's time to make money. This is your month. This is your year. All you need to do is make the decision and join Forex trading and make money with the traders. All right, guys. So last week, someone corrected me and said, Irving, you forgot to say one most important thing, and that will be, I'm gonna say it right now. I want to thank everybody for being here, guys. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless the world, and God bless the United States of America. And one thing that I forgot last week was that God bless Ukraine as well. So stay safe, guys, and I will see you guys back in the next 2 weeks. Let's go. Let's trade with TeamWithERVING. Boom.